Good morning, everyone. Now it's 6 o'clock. I couldn't sleep anymore, so I woke up and walked around in this Qili Village. A beautiful Langqiao bridge. Langqiao basically means corridor bridge. You can see a bridge with roof fully covered. So that design gives this bridge another function. People could spend time there. They could sit on the bridge and have a break, having tea, whatever they want, even in a rainy day. I'm right now, it's a little bit chill out here, and fresh air, the firewood burning, everything is so rustic. I love it. This is so much different from the city. Families burning the firewood, and people are making breakfast. Now this is something new. Wow. I think this is the chrysanthemums. Chrysanthemums with chilies. Warmly celebrate People's Republic of China. National Day of the People's Republic of China. That's what it says. Red and yellow, that is also our national flag. There's a creek. So pretty. Free range chickens. Chicken soup is a signature dish in this village. The chickens are raised for delicious soup. Sorry for them, but good for us. This name of this province, Zhejiang, originally means zigzag river. So, full of water, rich in water resources, fresh water. So, Zhejiang means zigzag river. This is the stool, so the people could sit here. Beautiful, beautiful bridge, corridor bridge. Local farmers turned their house into restaurant on the first floor and hostel on the second and third floor. Vendor selling the pork on his truck. It's a local market. 哎呦，这是土猪肉吗？啊，这么肥的膘 ，so fat, fatty. ？Bamboo shoot, dried bamboo shoot. Nice to see a little market here. This is the hostel we live in. It's 150 yuan RMB per night with 2 breakfasts. It's pretty decent price. Now the aunties are busy with breakfast. Almost 7:30. Oh. I would live rest of my life in the village like this. And would you? Please leave your comment below. Thank you for watching. We should really learn that from this COVID experience.